Welcome to the Ava Pearl, y'all. If you're new, I wanted to say welcome and you're gonna love it here, so tune in. So for today, y'all, I'm gonna be vlogging my trip to the nail salon, getting my maintenance right, all that, feeling good, feeling right, doing a wax. Anyways, like, we just got some stuff to do. So let's get into it, y'all. I just have to make my bed right now. And this is my outfit. This is my outfit that I had that I was planning on wearing, but unfortunately it's not the word for today. So I'm gonna get at y'all when, you know, we have our outfit on and we're about to start getting our makeup ready and all of that, y'all. So a very eventful day. All right, y'all, we're gonna get back at y'all. All right, so I'm already, y'all know I just had to put on the Essential bodysuit because it's kind of cold. I feel so pretty, like I like to feel pretty. I'm gonna get my nails done. So basically what I'm trying to get is just a nice, clean, classic French tip because you can't see the outgrowth. So if y'all need a go-to nails idea, definitely get French tip in any color. And I was gonna say, if y'all need to go to hairstyle, definitely, I really do recommend these. Like, people might like tell you not to get them because the curls get tangled and it's a little irritating, but bro, it's so worth it. I feel so pretty. Like, I really like it, and it's not that hard to maintain if you just put some mousse up in. So yes, I do recommend these goddess braids. Lashes are from Amazon, the Fopi Seca. I feel like I've promoted them before. I need to make an Amazon storefront, y'all, because I have good stuff and I'm like, I be sharing it with y'all, and I am a user of other people's Amazon storefronts. But let's talk about it. What did y'all think about my last video I posted before this one, my like drunk vlog? Like, usually I don't post content like that, but I was like, I'm in college, I'm a freshman, y'all already know you gotta turn up sometimes and celebrate. So that's all I was doing, and I had so much fun making that vlog. And I'm not saying that I want to get drunk all the time, but like every now and then it would be fun to have like a little night where I just invite some of my friends over. We can have like a truth or drink, get to know each other, just like in a good environment, because I feel like I have really good taste in friends, and just being around energies like Jazz's friends was very uplifting, because it was like, girl, yes, like this is why I'm your friend, is because you have good taste in friends, you know? Like, Jazz is good energy, and it was her first time meeting my friend Neiman, and they clicked. Like, Jazz was like, thank you for bringing your friend, I loved her. And I was like, thank you for like spreading your gratitude, because Neiman loved you, you know? Like, they're both Houstonians. Like, I love to have Houston friends because they know what to do out here, y'all, for real, because they really be putting me on the best spots. So appreciation on all the Houstonians. I love y'all. I'm so excited to get my nails done, y'all. Let's get into the tone. Thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you haven't sent me. I think you're true, there's something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around. Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I'm so into you. I'm so into you. I'm so into you.
nigga, do it for fun. Don't take it personal. Personally, I'm surprised you call me the
Nails done.
For shizzle, isn't it?
Oh, let's get the fuck into it. I love
I'm gonna
them.
get my lashes done.
She cut me a little bit
Sit down.
because my cuticles were a little hostile, I guess, but it's gonna heal. And it didn't hurt that bad, so I'm not mad because the product is producting. The product is giving. But yeah, I had an amazing nail experience today with Neiman. Neiman, we already seen your nails. Can we see your toes, please, while you drive?
I think that's gonna look right.
Toe cam! Toe cam if you got pretty toes!
You want people to beat their meat to your toes?
Put your feet down! Please don't beat your meat to my toes. Neiman just told me I shouldn't even post my toes for real because I be selling them motherfuckers.
Blur it out.
I'ma post it just because I fuck with y'all and my toes are so pretty and I'm not selling feet pics no more. I was making my
Selling feet
money.
pics?
Yeah.
How much money did you make?
I made like probably 500, 600.
What?
And like I had to talk with my brother and he was just saying to me, he was like, you know what he's doing. I'm like, I
You like what he liked.
Yeah, right.
Like what he liked.
He likes what he likes, but I don't really like to talk to him anymore because he started getting weird and pushing the limits like outside of toes. I was like, this ain't no free OnlyFans, sir. No. So I had to cut that off. Anyways, yeah. So in the nail shop, y'all, I had a beautiful experience at the end because I had made a friend and she is absolutely amazing. She's adorable. She's 9 years old and she's in 4th grade and she's the sweetest girl I have ever met. And she's so beautiful. Like she just kept staring at me and going like this.
Beautiful hair, long nails.
I'm like, I think that her hair was natural because her nails were natural and they were so long.
Her hair was definitely natural.
You think so? Yeah, I was looking for the weave. I was like, I don't see it.
No.
Uh-uh.
Her mom wouldn't even let her care. You think she go weave her hair? She's 9 years old.
Yeah, but like, I mean, she could. I'm like, that's a really simple hairstyle. Like 2 long braids. I'm like, girl, you're raw. Like, she's awesome. Like, I love that girl. And I was like praying over her because I just felt this genuine connection. And then like after I prayed, like she just didn't stop smiling at me. I was like, girl, we just kept catching each other, smiling at each other because I'm like, you like restored my faith in humanity in a sense because she's like so pure and I just love children. She's that girl, y'all. She's absolutely gorgeous. Like, Neiman, back me up.
Oh yeah. Very beautiful little girl.
She was awesome. And then her mom was super sweet too. They were both awesome people. But we're on our way home now, y'all. And
Like a little nail date, mom and daughter nail date.
that was cute. Me and Neiman, I'm the mama. Beep beep.
I thought the mom was supposed to.
I know, I was gonna say.
I thought the mom was
Shut
supposed
up.
to pay.
BB's driving me.
Mom is supposed to pay for the child.
Well, child finish and child running. My child got a bag. Okay?
My child got a.
And my child got a car. My child. Thank you, baby.
Well, I drive my mom around. So like,
Y'all, I love my nails so badly. Y'all are gonna be sick of me. Prepared to be sick of me. Shut the fuck up, Neiman. I'm gonna zoom in with you. I love zooming on you.
You zooming on me?
Like, there was a video in the junk vlog, and we were getting recorded, and then Neiman just starts shaking her breasts aggressively. And I'm gonna insert that right here, just because it's raw. I love that video.
She's shaking the breast.
So, that's all. Are you ashamed of yourself?
Side eye. No.
Good. Thank you. I need to have you shake your breasts in every video.
I got you. What'd you do?
That's exactly what we were doing right before you shook your breast. Anyways, we're gonna go wax this poom poom. We're gonna go wax this pit. My phone's about to die, y'all. Nails done. Toes done. All right. We're home. And why is it literally like warm now? So I think I dressed appropriately. Let's get inside, get stuff done, put my phone on the charger. Cause it's at 1.
Fucking ass, I like doing too much.
So we're fresh and out of the shower and we're gonna get right into our wax. So I literally just did my nails and I feel like I really ate. Like, I love them so much. I had used this gem from a previous set. I don't know why, I just found it all of a sudden, but it was really meant to be because I haven't seen it in months, y'all, like 2 months at least. And my roommate just, she was like, oh, I put it there for you. I was like, dude, what? Like, didn't make sense to me, but it's on my nail now and I love it. Like, ugh. Now we're gonna go do the wax. Y'all, I'm a little scared, but I don't know why I'm acting scary because I do this for real. I really do this for real. If I with you heavy and we're close, I've probably given you a wax. If I haven't and you asked me to, I would give you a wax because I'm good at waxes and I'm very gentle and I give like professional vibes when I give waxes. So yeah, when I give myself a wax, I keep that same energy. But y'all, my nails are not coming out of this camera after I just literally ate. Like, the other hand sexy too? Yeah. First things first, you're not gonna wanna put no oils or nothing on your body or on the places that you're gonna wax before, okay? You're gonna wanna be dry, fresh out the shower. Once you're fresh out the shower, it's the best time because your pores are more open and, you know, gonna be easier to rip the strip off. All right, y'all. So we're here in my room. This is my environment where I do my waxing and stuff. So we're gonna get right into it. This is my new one. Neiman got it for me, so thank you, Neiman. I had an old one that was from Ulta, and it's like very small like that. And it was also portable where you could just plug it in and it'll heat up. I've also tried some other waxing methods that have like a cup where you just put it in the microwave. It was convenient. I just feel like it was not for me. I just didn't really like it that much. I thought it was kind of annoying having to go to the microwave every single time you wanted to warm up some more wax beads. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, like, I had poured some blue wax in there just because I wanted extra because we're doing a lot today. We literally have to do a whole bikini wax and armpit wax. So there's some blue in there. It's a little like, it's giving like space.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want and know you're nasty. Don't ride my house, try to taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding.
I know you're probably like, this girl don't have nothing in her armpits, but I do. So don't come for me. Because I do have a little something in there. Alright. So you're gonna let it dry. I feel so pretty naturally most of the time. Like, like, wow, natural beauty is really it. But I just really love to do makeup. Like, I have so much fun with it. So, oh, this is a really fancy pot. I had it literally so hot right now. You don't want to burn your wax or make it too hot. Like, when it's like oozing like this, look at, this is way too hot, okay? You don't want it pouring or running when you're applying it onto you because it's hot, y'all. Like, hot. Don't do that to yourself. All right, let's not do that. Like, take your time and let yourself feel the wax, you know? And if you are in a rush, I'm gonna show y'all how to speed it up. This is gonna be the first take, the first one, because it's very hot. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all every single thing I know. Every single trick in the book. Yeah. I'm so extra, y'all. I'm just holding my neck. This is my support. I'm my own support. I'm gonna make sure it's all the way dry. I don't think it's all the way dry. I'm gonna have to go again because the hair is growing in both directions. So I see some different hairs growing in the other direction. So y'all seen I applied the wax down and I ripped it going up. So now I'm gonna apply the wax up and then rip it down. So it's just reverse. Whatever way you apply it, you're gonna rip it up. If you swipe it up, you're gonna pull it down. All right? I try to make sure it's like connected. Just make it look as best as possible. With these little strings, I try to like collect them all. Just hydrate. Usually it's really oily and it feels good. Yeah, this one feels really nice. There's actually a really big strip, but it's gonna get the job done, y'all. As always, as it should. That was a good strip. So y'all see now I applied up, and we're gonna just rip down, okay? Comprehendo? Get into the nails. I'm obsessed. This maintenance vlog is gonna be so fire, y'all. As it should. Alright, so that one did take a little extra because I did see a good amount of hairs. Like fine hairs, but a good amount, so yeah. Hydrating. We're done waxing our armpits. They're all good. And we're gonna be waxing the boom boom. So we're gonna do that off camera. And you see the mirrors here. I'm gonna get to work. When I do mine, I just had deja vu. Real hard. But yeah, we're gonna just get into it. It's a little intense, y'all, but I believe in you. If you are scared to do your own wax, I trust that you can do it. It's not that bad. Take some ibuprofen if it's that bad, y'all, and just do it in big chunks, you know, get it through. So yeah. Y'all, I really do this wax stuff for real.
Okay, bye.